Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Royal KMM back, ready to have the roller put back in there, so that's what we're going to do. And first I'm going to clean this roller while it's out of the machine, and then everything else has been cleaned and ready to reinstall. So this one's going to get 2 chemicals applied to the roller. Let me get some towel here to clean this mess up. Okay, so this has a bunch of gunk on it, so first I'm going to simple green this like this and just see what this soap does. I use lacquer thinner, but you know, if it's something like a soda or something like that, that lacquer thinner won't even touch a soda. Okay, so see, it's already getting some black off here. Let's just do this one more time here. Get some black there, so let's wipe this off. And we're going to hit it with the lacquer thinner here. Get my lacquer thinner towel, here we go. We're just going to coat this thing up here real quick, like that. And wipe her down. That's it. Clean up my residue. Now let's throw this thing in the typewriter. Put this back down here so we have I don't have the feet back on the typewriter. I need to cushion this somehow. So first thing needs to be done is the feed rollers, which have been cleaned already. Got to go back in. Back one's real easy. Front one, you just have to line the studs up there. And just start on one side or the other. And just rearrange these, and they will fit in a certain way. Pretty sure this was the same both ways. Let's see. I want to find a spot right away. There we go. Just like that. Then we're going to put in the paper tray, paper pan. That's the official word for it. And that is held in by those little screws right there. You can find my little screwdriver. That goes up nice and tight. Next thing is to put the ratchet in here, which has also been cleaned, and the shaft in the center has been cleaned. Just stick that right in this little compartment right here. Oh, I think we can release the D10. There we go. That'll help a little bit. Okay, so let's take Platen roller, open the cover up. It should fit right on in here. There we go. Okay, so this has a groove in here, and it's going to line up with, I should have showed this little notch right there. So when you stick this shaft in here, you got to turn this and make sure it lines up with that, and then it fits through. So let's stick, before I do that, I'm going to put a drop of oil right up here. And right there. Okay, let's stick this through here. Turn it till you can feel it. There we go. Let's do, well, let's tighten this down first. So this has the two set screws. That one is the long one, and the one above it is the short one. So this one's got the little extension on there. And it'll fit right down into that hole that's part of the shaft. Stick that one in real quick. And that one, tighten these down nice and tight. So right now everything should be spinning pretty free. If you do the paper release, it should literally just be spinning. Be able to spin that like that. Tension up the rollers. Got a little bit of tension, not quite as spinny. And then all we got to do is attach the other knob over here. Pretty simple. This just has a couple flat spots. There's one there and one there, and they correspond with the two set screws. Right about there. Tighten this one down. And tighten the second one down. Be sure these are pretty tight. That's it. We can release the lever here and get clicks. Check our variable. Working good. Close the latch here. And I suppose we should roll some paper through and make sure everything's alright. All good. Alright. That is how we get a Platen back in a Royal KMM or a KMG. Being Typewriter. Good day.